In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you how to get the maximum number from a user. Okay, so I will be doing this in two ways. One, I will show you how to use if-else statement to get that. And the other way around, I will show you a simpler way to do that. So first of all, I'm going to show you the longer way and then the simpler way. So first of all, go ahead and say A is equal to int. Then I'm going to say int input. Int input. And let's go ahead and tell the user, please insert a number. Insert first number. Okay? Insert first number. Go ahead and copy this. We're going to check only 3 numbers. Go ahead and press unpressed. So this will be B. And this will be C. And this is B. Insert second number. Insert second number. And this will be insert third number. Okay, so once you collect these numbers from the user, you can go ahead and say if. Using an if statement, that is the first one we are going to do now. So if A is greater than B. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then you go ahead and print this out. Let's say print and say A, that is the value A has. US press. Okay, let's just space by default is the highest number. Is the highest number. So you go ahead and use the elif here because I have taught you elif. So that is else if B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So I want you to learn both ways. Print B. Print B. So B is the highest number. Go ahead and bring this down. Else you go ahead and say print C. You print C, say C is the highest number. Okay, so this is the first part of checking this. Let me go ahead and put this. I call this the first method. Then let's go ahead and look at the second method and we execute both right now. So the second method is to go ahead and print. Go ahead and use, I'll bring down this, and I want to say print maximum. of A, B, and C is the highest number. So this is one line of code that will do this job. And the first one is almost about 6 lines. So let's go ahead and run both codes and check it out. Run this code. Please insert, there I say insert a first number. Go ahead and remove this. Insert first number, insert second number, and insert third number. Run this code again and check it out. Please insert first number. First number is 19. Insert second number, 60. Insert third number, 101. Hit enter. 101 is the highest number and 101 is the highest number. So this printed out, we use these to print out 101 is the highest number, and this also printed out for us 101 is the highest number. So I showed you 2 methods. The first method is a single line because the reason why I showed this is because we have a function called max, and that is why I used that. Okay? So go ahead and check it out and make sure that you put this down and practice with it. And if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.